can't grip this very well. This is very awkward for me. Got like teeny little hands. This is the voice so hard. Oh. Oh, ah! Blueberry down. Did you see that? That was about to spill! Ah! This work! Okay, I have an idea. I think maybe it's because I filled this over the max fill line. I'm thinking maybe it was too full and it just couldn't handle it. I have no idea how to cut it orange. Ugh. Ha ha ha! Ooh, I'm actually really excited for this. It looks like it's gonna be really sweet and I'm all about the sweet life. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's really light. It's good. And you know, I really like that it's non-alcoholic because you never know someone's situation. You never know if somebody is in recovery for alcoholism. You never know if it's not someone's bag. And maybe you want something fun for the kids. I mean, this is so awesome, and I'm really glad that it's an option. I just feel like it's a really inclusive option. It's so good. My friends, we are off to an awesome start. This was so good. I'm super excited to make the other recipes. Stay tuned for next week. We're going to have a salad and a side dish. Ooh, I kind of want. I have more. So my friends, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have an awesome week. And until next time, stay flawed.